Here I go, Chef Jimmy.
Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Oh, beautiful. That is delicious, wow. What is up, campers? Welcome to your first day of skills. Guys, my name is Chef Jimmy. I'm so excited to be here with you, and I brought along my good friend.
I'm Chef Christian.
Guys, we are so excited to be doing this skill with you. This skill is all about experimenting with recipes and having so much fun doing it.
That's right.
Each day, you will join us for an instructional video that will give you an overview of the activity you will complete for that day. Each day will be a brand new opportunity for you to channel your inner chef.
Inner chef, that's right, Chef Jimmy. And so, campers out there, you may have noticed that you have a box with some supplies. Inside that, you're gonna see one that says Gourmet Chef Skill. So pull that out and let's see what's inside. You'll see there are 4 important things that you're gonna need for this skill. The first one's gonna be a recipe card, and this is gonna list all the supplies that you're gonna need. On the back, you'll see there are some steps that are gonna walk you through each step on how to complete each recipe for each day. And then the next thing you're gonna see is a parent card. So on the front, it's gonna say parent card. Just make sure to get that to an adult in your house. So each day has a camper card with the specific steps, like I mentioned, and that you're gonna use that to make sure that you have all the supplies you need and be ready to get started for your activity. If you have allergies, you can still make this recipe work, but be sure to check with your parents for the ingredient alternatives so we can enjoy this all together. Right, Chef Jimmy?
That is right. We want everybody to enjoy these awesome recipes. Once you guys start your skill with us, you need to know that you are chefs, but not just any chefs. You are gourmet chefs. So I want you in 1 second to pause this video and think of a chef name. It can be anything you want. Maybe it could be like an Italiano chef name.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe take the first letter of your name and come up with a crazy chef name. I could be like Cupcake Christian, you know?
Cupcake Christian, I love it, I love it. Guys, there's so many options, so I want you to go ahead and just pause the video for 1 second and think of those chef names.
I can't wait to hear what they're gonna do.
Me too. Welcome back, guys. I want to know what those chef names are.
Let me hear. If you have a chef name, can you just yell it at the screen?
Can you hear?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love it. I heard you. I heard it all the way.
That was good.
Guys, we have so many fun recipes to share with you, and the best part about this skill is that you can make these recipes all summer long, right, Christian?
That's right, Chef Jimmy. So I like to make these for my neighbors, my friends, my grandma. So
that's right.
we can make them all summer long. So today we're gonna show you how to make something very easy, very special, cereal bars.
Ooh,
so how are we gonna do it, Jimmy?
The first and most important step is to wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds and then dry thoroughly, which we've already done.
Oh yeah,
that's right.
I got clean hands. So now in a large microwave safe bowl, we're gonna combine a few of our ingredients. So the first thing that's gonna go in this bowl is butter.
That's right.
So Chef Jimmy's got that right there. And the next thing we're gonna do is 4 cups of marshmallows. So, Chef Jimmy, look at these. Man, I could just eat them all right now, but
so good.
We gotta wait.
Eat them, though.
We gotta wait. They'll be better once we make this all together.
Once you put all of those in your bowls, you're gonna take your bowl and you're gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes or until it is nice and gooey and soft so you can stir and mix it. So once your marshmallows are nice and gooey, ooh, look at that, Chef Christian.
That looks good.
Ooh, doesn't it smell it? Oh yeah, that smells great. So you are gonna go ahead and you're gonna stir, 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 and keep stirring so it looks nice and gooey,
smooth.
just like this.
So once it looks like this, nice and smooth, we're gonna go ahead and add our lightweight cereal of choice. So today, Chef Jimmy, I brought us some Rice Krispie Treat cereal.
I also heard that Lucky Charms are great for this recipe too.
That is my favorite cereal.
The
That would have been
little
perfect.
marshmallows in it?
Next time, we'll make that next time. All right, so I'm gonna pour this in.
Oh, look at that.
That was right about right. I'm gonna a little
Once
bit
you
more.
pour your cereal in, you're gonna mix, mix, mix so that all of the cereal and all of those marshmallows are stuck together.
Ooh. Getting tired? Your arms look like they're working.
It's tiring.
So not only do you get to make a good recipe, but you get to exercise.
You get a workout too in the kitchen.
2 in 1.
That's right.
All right. So after it's all good, we're gonna go ahead and pull over a pan. So if you have a pan just like this, you're gonna wanna go ahead and spray it down with some non-stick spray.
Ooh,
So
look at
easy
that.
pan,
Sprayed,
whatever
boom,
you got.
done.
We already have our sprayed, so you'll see that right there.
So once you have your pan nice and spread, you're gonna take your mix and you're just gonna dump it right onto the pan right there.
Ooh,
Look at that.
Looks good. Chef Jimmy, is it okay if I use my hands?
I think you can use your hands. That's all right. We washed them, right?
That's right.
So you're gonna go ahead and push that down. It's a little sticky, so a tip, if it's a little sticky, Chef Christian, could you hand me that pan right over there?
I'd love to.
Look at that. It's a little sticky. You're just gonna spray a little bit of Pam right on your fingers. Oh, and look at that. And then it doesn't stick.
You didn't tell me that before I got started.
I'm sorry. It's okay.
That's okay.
Wow. So once you have it all nice and pressed down, you are gonna go ahead and you're gonna let it cool for just a couple of minutes because it's gonna be pretty hot when it comes out of the microwave. But then you're ready to eat.
Oh
should we go ahead and try this, Chef Christian?
I think so.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and try this right here.
You got it.
Nice. Oh, that is so good. Guys, I can't wait for you guys to be able to try this fun recipe. So go ahead and grab your activity card that says day 1, grab all the ingredients and start cooking.
But don't forget, I need you to wash your hands before you get started and be nice to your parents. Clean up when you're all finished.
Guys, we are so excited to see you tomorrow for another fun recipe.
Oh, I can't wait, Chef Jimmy. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.